Good morning students. Today first I will discuss about the questions that is based on previous video. Question number 1. Define software. Write examples also. A software or a computer software essentially a type of programs which enable the users to perform some particular specific task or actually used to operate their computer. It essentially directs all of the peripheral devices on the entire computer system. What exactly to do and how exactly to perform a task. A software plays a key role of a mediator between the user and the computer hardware. In the absence of software, a user essentially can't perform any task on a computer. There are two types of software, system software and application software. Next question is, what is an operating system? It is a software that works as an interface between a user and the computer hardware. The primary objective of an operating system is to make computer system convenient to use and to utilize computer hardware in an efficient manner. The operating system performs the basic tasks such as receiving input from the keyboard, processing instructions, and sending output to the screen. Examples of operating system are Unix, MS-DOS, MS Windows, 98 XP Vista, Windows NT or 2000, OS2 and Mac OS. Next question is, give two examples of mobile operating system. There are examples of mobile device operating system that include Apple iOS, Google Android. Next question is, write short notes on the following. First, utility programs. Utility software helps to manage, maintain and control computer resources. Examples of utility programs are antivirus software, backup software and disk tools. Computer systems use a special type of firmware known as BIOS or basic input output system. This represents the basic code to get the computer started. Next, translators. A translator or programming language processor is a generic term that can refer to anything that converts code from one computer language into another. Next, device driver. A device driver is a computer program that controls a particular device that is connected to your computer. Typical devices are keyboards, printers, scanners, digital cameras, and external storage devices. Each of these need a driver in order to work properly. So students, today I am going to discuss about application software and its type. Application software. These are software used for a specific purpose. Application software is specific to the task it is designed for. They are divided into two categories. special purpose or general purpose. Special purpose software are special software tailored or custom made for a company, school or an organization as per their need or requirement. Example, accounting software, computer reservation system or central reservation system, enterprise resource planning, billing software, school management information system, payroll management system. Now I'm going to discuss one by one. Accounting software describes a type of application software that records and processes accounting transactions and keep the financial accounts of a company. It functions as an accounting information system. It may be developed in-house by the organization using it or may be purchased from a vendor with customization according to the company needs. Next, computer reservation system or central reservation system is a computerized system used to store and retrieve information and conduct online transactions related to airline and railway tickets, bookings, hotel bookings, car rental, etc. It was initially designed for airline ticket bookings. Next, enterprise resource planning is a category of business management software. It has a suite of integrated applications which an organization can use to collect, store, manage, and interpret data from different business activities such as product planning, purchase, manufacturing or service delivery, marketing and sales, inventory management, and shipping and payment. Billing software refers to programs that prepare the bills of products and services delivered to a customer or set of customers. Some billing software can also track work hours for billing purpose. School management information system handles key attendance and performance grade data of the students. Providing parents with online access to their children's grades and attendance is another area where MIS has a key part to play. Payroll management system deals with the financial aspects of employees' salary, allowances, deductions, gross pay, net pay, etc., and generation of pay slips for a specific period. Second type of software means general purpose software. General purpose software are developed for general purpose use. These are usually available in the form of packages and can be used by different users as it is. It provides many features that the majority of users will want. They are easily available and reasonably priced. Examples, word processing software. These are used to create professional looking documents like letters, biodata, reports, posters, etc. with formatted text and graphics. MS Word, WordPerfect are example of such software. Spreadsheet package. These are used to create documents that can manage and organize numeric data which involves a lot of calculations or for the production of graphs and charts. Lotus 123 and MS Excel are examples. Graphic software. These are used to draw figures using the computer and digitally edit and modify photographs. Example, Paint, Paintbrush, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, etc. Communication software is used to access and serve the internet and send the receive email. Examples: Internet Explorer, Netscape, Communicator, Mozilla Firefox. Next, desktop publishing software, also called DTP software. These are used for creating professional looking documents for publication like brochures, newsletters, magazine, etc. Next, database management system software are used to create and manage a database that can store and retrieve information. It can store related data of a school to form a student database. Example: MS Access, MySQL, and Oracle. Multimedia presentation software. These are used to create slideshow and presentations which can be viewed on screen or overhead projector. Example: MS PowerPoint, Flash. Engineering drawing software. These are used for preparing engineering drawings and architectural plans. Example: AutoCAD, 2D design, etc. Now here you can see more examples of software, application software type and examples: word processing software, MS Word, WordPad and Notepad; database software, Oracle, MS Access; spreadsheet software, Apple, Numbers, Microsoft Excel; multimedia software, Real Player, Media Player; presentation software, Microsoft PowerPoint and Keynotes. Next, enterprise software, customer relationship management system; information worker software, documentation tools, resource management tools; educational software, dictionaries and MATLABs, Google Earth, NASA Word, Wind. Simulation software, flight and scientific simulators; content access software, accessing content through media players, web browsers; application suites, OpenOffice, Microsoft Office; software for engineering and product development, IDE or integrated development environments. So students, there are various different types of application software such as license, sold, freeware, shareware and open source. Homework for today is explain Android mobile operating system. What are the differences between assemblers, compilers and interpreters? Write full form of the following: BOS, ERP. What are the functions of an operating system? Last question is write short notes on the following: computer reservations system, desktop publishing software. Thank you.